We are on the beautiful Wisconsin River for this year's boys trip. I'm out here, Justin, my brother Max, my brother Jason, Dad over there.
I didn't know if my arm would twist that far, but I twisted my arm far enough to find my beer.
About to thread that needle. Making a little pit stop. A little, not quite a sandbar, but almost. A little sandwich stop. How is it, Max?
About that.
All right, it was made by yours truly, which, speaking of truly, Dad, can you hook me up?
I truly can.
Thank you, sir.
You bet. Yeah, boy. There you go. I'm truly serious.
Cheers.
What up, dog?
We got Dad on over here. Put the tripod in between my legs. We'll see what's up.
Whoa, whoa. Oh, I think it's a freaking walleye.
Really?
Oh, it's a northern. Oh. Here it comes.
Check that out. Let's go. Oh, shit.
Swimming.
Oh.
He done got off. That's the trouble of not having a net. Nice. That's cool though. Sweet. Almost. Well, I had him right up there. I wasn't too worried, but I wasn't gonna keep him. But would have been fun to get a good photo.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But I was like, I should have put this away, so I didn't have this, because I could have tried to cup them, you know. Yeah. Woo! That's cool.
Max, you all right? What's going on here?
My arms are tired.
Your arms are tired?
Yeah.
We're out here, we got a little bit of land, some really shallow water. We found ourselves a little sandbar here, just doing a little bit of exploring right now. Got the boys over there stretching their legs. I like doing this. It really reminds me of my childhood. We used to go camping on the Wisconsin River, the Mississippi River, just on sandbars just like this. I'm about to put the drone up, one of my favorite things to do when we're out here like this, so check it out.
I don't think we're gonna need the musky net.
First of the day.
Walleye! It's a walleye! Woohoo! That's typical size that we get out here on these busy days. Woo!
All right, first one on the board. Jason, what are you doing?
Dude, I'm sucking today.
You were the champ last year. You're dropping the ball.
6 bites and I'm sitting here with that pink catching every tree under the sun. Finally break off and I'm like, hey, finally I got inspired. I'm gonna pick Jason's color. Is that a crappie? Ew, big perch.
First one for Jason.
I'm on the board, baby. I'm on the board.
Sweet.
Beauty. What a beaut. That's what's been stripping my bait all day.
Number 2 for Jason.
I bet you that fucker's got a half worm in his belly. Sheepy?
Nice. Number 2 for Dad. Small eye?
Oh, number 3.
Number.
The other one you didn't film, so I just flopped it off.
I think
that's 3
you didn't even bring it
walleyes.
into the boat. Isn't that true?
Yeah, but you weren't filming, so I'm like, oh, he's not.
I don't know. Score counter might have an issue with that.
Ouch. Yep, sucker.
Oh my God, it's a minnow.
Oh, how
It's a
did you
minnow.
hook that, dude? Yeah, baby. Woohoo! Hey. Oh my gosh. I love it. That boy out of 18 feet of water. That is officially a small fry.
There you go.
That one just got hatched. I don't know if it's a netter. Oh, see it. It's rip and drag. Ooh, that might be a keeper. Oh boy. Yeah. Woohoo!
Hey.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Measure it. Oh yeah, it's almost 4. Oh. Yep, 14. Oh. Let them go so they can grow. What's that? That's 4. Well, 3.5.
Was number.
Oh, I don't know if it's a whale eye. Oh, it's got a little bite to it. Perch, big old perch. Look at the size of that sucker. Woohoo! Now, normally that's a good eating size perch right there. We're gonna let him go, but that's a big fillet right. Cha! It's a walleye, baby.
All right.
That's a bit of a small.
What are you on now?
Oh, woo, boy. In the boat. Beautiful color, beautiful color.
What do you got on there?
Haven't seen it yet. Probably a sheep head.
Yeah, but your intuition.
Big old sheepy. I told you, sheepy. Woo! Fish count. That's got to be about 12. Sheep head. Woohoo! Junk. This fucking big fish.
Got a cat on?
I think it's a kitty cat. Or a huge sheep head, but if it's a walleye, it's a keeper. It's a kitty cat. Oh, told you. Fighting like a kitty cat. There's a kitty cat for you, boys. There we go. Woohoo! See, these things will sting you, and that one will sting you. You want to grab them just like this and squeeze like hell. There you go.
Look at that.
Nice, beautiful cat. We ain't gonna keep this one, but that was sure a fun fight. Live another day, my friend. Been on for a while. Been
What do we have?
something. Small eye, baby.
What are you up to now?
Probably 10. She's a small eye. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, that one might be a keeper. It's in the boat. Woo-hoo. She's a teaser. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get over here.
Hey, 14.
14 and almost 14 and a quarter. See ya. Dang it. Thought I had a keeper. Sorry to disappoint you. Still fun to catch though.
Got your snag?
Come on, baby, let's get that 15. It's a perch. It's a small eye. In the boat, another walleye. Whoa!
Give it a kiss.
Boop. What you got there, Justin?
Got the flint. Yeah, get that light.
Oh,
in here. Atta
wow.
boy.
Now we know what's going on. Well, dang, that was a good spark there, buddy. He has upped his skills from last year, guys. He's been working out.
Yeah.
If you want to see his skills from last year, look at the Pete and Well video.
That's true.
It's getting there. I mean, he's throwing a lot of sparks. Why ain't that stuff igniting? It like wants to go.
Use it right on that.
He's really stroking that thing.
Come on. Get that shit down there.
He made me laugh.
Get closer.
He's got to practice.
Something's smoking. We got smoke. When there's smoke, there's fire. I think it's my hands.
I'm definitely next up.
Oh, I see a spark. That was gonna be.
It's actually, this is actually like unbelievable how dry that is, and it seems like a ton of sparks.
We just can't quit or we're gonna die.
Oh! What is this, guys? What is that?
Carpal tunnel.
Holy shit.
Get some more palms and put them on. Don't let it go out.
This is naturally found in nature.
Oh, they're spiky.
There are little
Yeah.
pricks.
Justin got a boo boo.
Yeah, I got it.
Palms.
Palms, Max.
Tingling over that.
Palms,
nose.
Max.
Screwdriver.
Come on. Oh my god.